Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, we are going to be tackling some Dollar Tree pantry organization. Now you already know Dollar Tree always has out a ton of bins, and lately they have been putting out a ton of different bins and containers that you can choose from to organize whatever room in your home. As you can see here, there's just an aisle full of things. Now opening up the pantry, I'm going to start section by section. I'm not going to completely redo this whole pantry in this video, but I'm going to do maybe like make 2 or 3 parts for this video to completely finish the pantry, because I do want to do a couple more things, but I'm just trying to figure out what exactly I want to do. So I'll just make 2 or 3 parts of this video. But as you can see here, where all of the snacks and chips are, it just looks completely a mess and cluttered, and just really, I don't know what's happening in here. So I'm just removing everything so I can get a better look at what's going on. And as you already know, that I have been doing a lot of these organization videos for my mother-in-law. So again, this is my mother-in-law's pantry. So I am helping her do this and clean this out and, make it more organized for her and stuff like that. So I picked up these pool baskets that are really handy from Dollar Tree, and I really like these, especially for the pantry, because it's easy to grab and just organize everything in its own little space. So I'm moving stuff around in here because these were in the right corner, but I'm going to move them to the left corner. That way the baskets are easier to grab. And then in each basket, I'm going to just place down some of these snacks. One of them I'm using for chips, the other one I'm using for chips and different snacks, and the third one I'm going to use for some pastas. And you can see just how nice everything looks compared to how it was. It's just the simple things like this that make all the difference, my friend. And trust me, I know it looks so simple, but really it does make a difference. As you can see, everything looks nice and well organized, and so much easier to just see what you want and grab. As you can see the before, I love how effective it is just using these quick and easy little bins from Dollar Tree. Let's go ahead and tackle some of these canned goods. I am in here all the time trying to organize it and fix it and just make it look a bit cleaner, because I have, a cleaning problem where I like everything to look nice and sleek. And I found these at Dollar Tree. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. It does say can organizer, which is perfect because we can place them down inside of this pantry on the shelves, and you can easily just place your cans down in here, which is going to make the whole entire thing just look way less cluttered. And I absolutely love how it turned out, because once you pull out one of the cans, it comes rolling down and just fills up by itself. And I love it. And again, it's just a space saver, and it looks like it cleans everything up and makes everything, a little bit more clean looking and not so cluttered, which I love for this specific, organization that we're doing. And once again, I got these at Dollar Tree, so you would have to go and check them out to see if this is something that they're putting out right now, because I've never seen these. But let me know if you have. I would love to know. I am going to place a second one right next to this one, and I even need to pick up maybe a couple more, because there are some more cans that I would like to organize and place in here. But you can see just how much cleaner it's already looking with just the one there to the left. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this one. And again, I am loving how this is coming along and how it's looking compared to all of those just cluttered cans all put together. Everything has its own little space that you can easily grab and not have to go behind cans looking for stuff and, removing cans from the front to get what's behind. You can just grab what you need and the rest will continue to fall down in this little dispenser. This is how it looked before, and I absolutely love how it looks now. I think it looks great. When I head to the Dollar Tree, I am going to need to pick up a couple more of these just to finish off the cans to make everything look nice and good. Moving back down to this side where we placed those pool bins in this corner, I'm going to go ahead down here, and there's something a little bothering me that I don't really like to leave in the pantry because it can call little critters and stuff like that. Whenever you have crackers or something that you open, they tend to stay open and you don't have a place for them. So just grab a jar from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has these jars that you can also place down to the side so you can easily grab what's inside of this jar. But I think these jars are perfect to place down your open cookies, crackers, or anything like that in your pantry, and it can stay nice and safe inside with a lid, dust free, critter free, and everything like that. And it looks 10 times better than just leaving it in that plastic packaging. And even better, you can prevent the little critters from getting inside. This is a completely off topic ad, but I want to show you this handheld steamer for your clothes and your garments. This product is absolutely amazing, my friend. And as always, I'm going to keep saying it so that way my new friends, you guys can know that I only show you stuff that I genuinely like and really think you guys would like, because I'm not going to show you something that I don't like. I'm not biased or anything like that. So I just want you to know that. But this handheld clothing steamer is really great for every day if you are wanting to, get wrinkles out of your clothes fairly quickly in just a little bit of time. So I have had one of these before. Well, not have. I do have one, but the one that I have is fairly good, but I would say this one is really nice because I love a little bit more of its features. This steamer, you can see that it's taking out the wrinkles, as you are passing it on. But what I like about this one is that when you press the button, it stops the steam and it completely shuts off. I'm going to show you in just a second how that works. So you're not just running the water and wasting the water as the one that I previously had. It just would stay on, but I absolutely love that you can turn it off, like mid when you are doing it and working on your clothes, and you can save that water so that way you don't constantly have to fill it up. But I'm gonna turn it over here. You can see all of those wrinkles on these pants, and you're gonna see right now what I am talking about with the button. So you can press it and it'll turn right off just like that, which is awesome. This is before with all of those wrinkles, and this is after. You can see it does a pretty great job, and for me using one hand while holding the camera in the other hand, it did pretty well. So go ahead and check them out, my friend. They are running a discount right now, so you're not going to want to miss that. And moving along to the organization, we are going to grab 2 of these large jars from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just going to show you some other stuff that you can place down in your pantry that you might have open, or get rid of some boxes that are in your pantry just to, maximize your space. These jars are tall and, more sleek, so they do fit really well compared to this big old cookie package. And mind you, it is already open, and when they are open, they tend to become stale even faster as well. So having them tight in this jar, airtight in this jar, would make all the difference and keep your cookies nice and crispier for a longer time. And another way you can use it is by taking these little seasoning packets out of the big old box that it comes in, and you can maximize your space in your pantry. I'm kind of like taking them as they already come in the package and folding them inside of that jar, and you can easily pull one out when you need to, put it back in, close it up with the lid, and you are good to go. And it will sit nice and fresh inside of your pantry, and you can throw away this ugly big old box that it comes in that I really am not a fan of, and again, you can maximize your space. Next up, I know you've seen these stackable organization drawers from Dollar Tree. These are not only handy for a lot of things, but I am going to use it here today for a little tea section here in the kitchen next to the coffee maker. And as you can see, these stickers come off of the acrylics and stuff like that really nicely. So do not worry about those. I know they are tricky to get off of other things, but usually these type of materials, they come off really nice. So I'm going to go in and place some tea bags in the bottom drawer, and at the top I'm going to place my sugars, and you have a nice little tea section right there next to your coffee maker. And if you wanted to make it more sturdy, you can take some E6000 or any crazy glue of your choice and just glue the two drawers together so that way they don't move around, and if you want them more sturdy. But for now, I am just showing you how to create this nice little section to organize your tea bags and take those out of the boxes and just make your own little tea section right there in your kitchen with just $3. I hope you all enjoyed today's kitchen slash pantry organization DIYs that you can do in your home for just a couple dollars using Dollar Tree items. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you made it this far into the video, then it's time for our secret word for today, which it's going to be kitchen organization. Now I know that's 2 words, but comment that down below in the comment section and I would know that you made it this far into my video, which is highly appreciated. So thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. God bless. Click on the next video below to watch more.